on this call early Sunday morning, and said the condos here, and the woman said that her neighbors called the fire department because they saw sparks coming from her unit. And this is what we came up with. So I'm sure what happened was there was a loose connection on one of these wires, and it shorted out and touched another wire, and there you go. But we'll get it fixed and get it going again. Alright, everything's running now. So there you go. 35.5 on this old Linux. Actually, it's not that old. I think, let's see. It's a 09, so it's 3 years old. But anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching.